Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञानवारिधि। आज हम 7 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से कि अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए। इट विल गिव मी अ मोटिवेशन एंड इट विल जस्ट एनर्जाइज मी टू क्रिएट दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज़ फॉर यू। Now let's move on. Which female tennis player has recently announced her withdrawal from the Tokyo Olympics? This announcement has been made by Serena Williams of United States. She had made this announcement due to an injury in her right thigh, and she has been a winner of Wimbledon for 7 times. Who recently has become the new health minister of Britain? Sajid Javid becomes the new health secretary after Matt Hancock, who resigned from this position last week. Recently, the sports ministry has decided to recognize which federation as National Sports Federation. This federation is WACO, India Kickboxing Federation, in a bid to promote and develop the sport in the country. What is the place of Delhi AIIMS in the list of the best medical institutes of the world released recently? Delhi AIIMS occupies 23rd rank in this list. Where is the India's second largest cricket stadium being built recently? It is being built in Jaipur. BCCI has given a financial grant of rupees 100 crore to Rajasthan Cricket Association to build this stadium. It will have the capacity to accommodate 75,000 people. Recently, which e-commerce company has launched Shopsy app? This has been launched by Flipkart. And Flipkart has launched this app as a new platform for individuals and small businesses to become resellers of goods in their own networks through platforms such as WhatsApp and others. Who has recently won the Silver Lake Open Chess Tournament title in Serbia? Nihal Sarin has won this title in Serbia. Recently, which old newspaper of India has entered its 200th year? This newspaper is Mumbai Samachar. Recently, which country has implemented Right to Repair Act? This has been implemented in Britain, and this right to repair is related to electronics. Who topped the Hopper Instagram Rich List 2021 in India? In India, it has been topped by Virat Kohli. Which application has been launched by the central government to provide information about agriculture and weather information to the farmers? This is self-sufficient agriculture, और इसको हिंदी में आत्मनिर्भर कृषि भी कहा जाता है. Who has become the Indian Navy athlete to qualify for Tokyo Olympics? MP Jabir. Which state's chief minister resigned from his post? Uttarakhand CM Tirth Singh Rawat has resigned from his post recently. Which Indian was chosen as the flag bearer for the Tokyo Paralympic Games? This is Mariyappan Thangavellu, Indian Paralympic high jumper who won gold in 2016 Summer Paralympic Games. He is India's first Paralympian gold medalist since 2004. Which Indian wrestler was banned for 2 years for doping? Wrestler Sumit Malik has been banned by United World Wrestling after his B sample also returned positive for a prohibited stimulant. Which country's Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld passed away? This country is America. Which country has included VT-4 battle tanks manufactured by China in its scripture? This country is Pakistan. With which company Arun Jaitley National Institute of Financial Management has tied up for technology and excellence? It is with Microsoft. Who will bear India's flag at opening ceremony in Tokyo Olympics? Legendary 6-time world champion boxer Mary Kom and men's hockey team captain Manpreet Singh are going to bear India's flag at opening ceremony. Which state government has launched Jan Sahayak Aapka Sahayak app? This state is Haryana. Haryana's Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has launched this app for government to citizen and business to citizen services. This is a single platform for availing government service, emergency helplines and other services like making payments and some other activities. Which country has unveiled the 5th generation a system Seabreaker? This country is Israel, and Seabreaker is a long-range autonomous precision-guided missile system meant to hit high-value maritime and land targets. Which bank has become the second most valuable listed public sector bank with a market capitalization of rupees 5 crore? This bank is Indian Overseas Bank. Who has been appointed as the new Lokayukt in Tripura? This is Kalyan Narayan Bhattacharjee, who has been appointed as a new Lokayukt in Tripura, and he is a veteran advocate appointed for 3 years. Who has formally put an end to a 149-year-old biannual tradition of shifting offices between the summer's capital Srinagar and winter capital Jammu? This has been put to an end by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Government of India has extended the superannuation age of IPO-bound LIC chairman M.R. Kumar to up to 62 years of age. And this has been done by making an amendment to Life Insurance Corporation of India Staff Regulations 1960. Who has given its nod to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education to provide technical assistance for satellite TV classrooms? This has been done by ISRO, and this is done to bridge the learning gap due to COVID-19 induced lockdown. Who had broke the world record in 400-meter hurdles during the Bislett Games? This has been done by Karsten Wahlholm. Who to inaugurate War Memorial for Indian soldiers in Italy? This inauguration will be done by General M.M. Narvane. He is Indian Army Chief. This memorial commemorates over 3,100 Commonwealth servicemen who took part in the efforts to liberate Italy in World War II. Who became the world's most prolific batter in Women's International, overtaking Edwards' 10,273 runs? This has been done by Mithali Raj. She is Indian captain and she has scored the highest runs in women's cricket. Who will travel to the edge of the space abroad VSS Unity of Virgin Galactic, which is scheduled to fly off on July 11th from New Mexico? She is Srisha Bandla, an Indian, and she is third Indian origin to go to space after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ उनको लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए, एंड प्लीज़ लीव अ कमेंट so that I may come to know what you are expecting from me. Thank you.